If you have tried multiple side hustles and none has worked for you, this video is not here to motivate you. It's here to explain why. Because the truth is most people don't fail online because they are lazy, untalented, or not consistent enough. They fail because they start with the wrong business model. And in 2026, that mistake is costing people years. Dropshipping, freelancing, Amazon FBA, crypto, YouTube automation, you've probably tried at least one of these. And the problem isn't that these businesses never work. The problem is that they are hard mode businesses being sold to beginners. So you start, months go by, you haven't made anything, and eventually you quit. Then you jump into another side hustle and the cycle repeats. But if you want to make money online in 2026, the easiest online business to start is not dropshipping. It's not Amazon FBA or freelancing. It is selling digital products. Not because they are trendy, not because it's easy money, but because it removes the exact barriers that cause most beginners to fail in the first place. In this video, I'm going to break down why selling digital products is the easiest online business to start in 2026. So make sure you watch this video until the end, because later in the video, I'll explain the one mistake that causes most people to quit right before this business starts working. Now, before you think this is just another online business pitch, let me be clear. Digital products are not magic. They don't work overnight and they are not for everyone. But if your side hustle failed because you don't have enough time, you don't have money to invest, you don't want to deal with inventory or clients, or you want something that can scale without burning out, selling digital products is perfect for you. And this model is winning in 2026. But before going further, let me explain why most online businesses feel impossible and why digital products flip that completely. Most online businesses fail beginners because they stack too many hard requirements at the beginning. Think about it. If you want to start dropshipping, you need money for ads, time to test product, and customer support. There's also shipping delays, refund, chargebacks, and even platform bans. If you want to start freelancing, you need a skill, proof of experience, and clients. There's the stressful discovery calls and constant delivery, and if you stop working, you stop earning. If you start Amazon FBA, you need capital, inventory, suppliers, storage, shipping fee, returns, and there's even the risk of your account getting suspension. All of these models can work, but they are not beginner friendly. They require either time you don't have, money you don't have, or skills you are still learning. Selling digital product flips that completely, because with digital products, you remove inventory, shipping, clients, and ongoing labor from that equation. And once you understand this, everything clicks. The number one reason why selling digital product is the easiest online business to start in 2026 is low starting cost and high profit margin. Let's talk money, real numbers. When you sell physical products, your margins are thin. You sell something for $30, but after production, shipping, platform fees, and returns, you might keep $5 to $8. With digital products, you create it once, and every sale after that is almost pure profit. Let me give you a real example. One of my ebooks, a simple digital guide, has earned me $13,900 so far. No inventory, no shipping, no employees, no customer calls even. I created it once and I have sold it hundreds of times. If I sell the ebook for $19, the $19 goes into my account. The cost to deliver is basically $0, and that's why digital products are beginner friendly. You don't need thousands of dollars to start. You don't need a warehouse. You don't need ads on day one. Most beginner fails because their businesses require constant spending before they even make money. Digital products don't. Reason number two why you should start selling digital products in 2026 is once you create it once, you can sell it forever. With digital products, your effort is front loaded. You do the work once and the product keeps working for you. Let's compare this to freelancing. When you freelance, you get paid once per client. You deliver the work and that's it. With digital products, it's different. You create the product once and you can sell it today, tomorrow, next month, and even next year. I consistently make $2,000 per month from my digital products, not because I'm working on them every day, but because the product already exists. That's the difference between income tied to time and income tied to systems. Digital products scale without burning you out. Reason number three why selling digital products is the easiest online business to start in 2026 is full automation, and this is where freedom comes from. You can automate the entire process of creating and selling digital products. To create, use AI tools like ChatGPT. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, Thrivecart, and Sellfy can handle payments, file delivery, and customer access. Whether someone buys your product at 2 a.m., they get it instantly. You sleep and still get paid. That's not hype. That's how the system works. Automation removes customer calls, back and forth email, and manual delivery. You are not trading hours for money. People want leverage, not more work. The fourth reason is scalability without stress. And this is a big one. If you sell a physical product and suddenly get 1,000 orders, you panic. You need more inventory, you need shipping, and you need customer support. If you sell digital products and you get 1,000 orders, nothing changes. Same product, same system, same effort. This is scalability. A digital product can be sold to one person or a million people with zero extra work. This allows you to scale your business without stress. Reason number 5 why selling digital product is the easiest online business to start in 2026 is global reach and instant delivery. Digital products don't care about borders. Someone in the US, Canada, the UK, or Australia can buy your products instantly. No shipping, no customs, no delays. The internet becomes your marketplace. And in 2026, digital consumption is only increasing. People are comfortable buying templates, planners, guides, courses, and even checklists. This is normal behavior now. You are not convincing people to buy digital products. They already do. Reason number 6 is low risk and high flexibility. This is why I recommend digital products to beginners. The risk is low. If your product doesn't sell, you don't lose inventory. You don't lose thousands in ad, and you don't quit your job. You adjust, improve, and relaunch. That flexibility is rare. Most businesses punish beginners for making mistakes. Digital products let you learn without going broke. Reason number 7 is you don't need to be an expert. You just need to be one step ahead. Organized or helpful. You can create meal plans, budget templates, fitness trackers, social media templates, checklists, and even mini guides. And with tools like ChatGPT, you're not doing this alone. You can use AI to generate ideas, structure content, draft guides, and improve clarity. AI removes the skill barrier. Effort and execution matters more than expertise now. Number 8 is digital product fit content creation perfectly. And this is huge for YouTube creators. If you're already creating content, digital products are natural extension. You don't need millions of subscribers. You just need a problem, a solution, and a product that helps. For example, maybe let's say you make content about healthy meals. Then you can sell meal planners. Let's say maybe you talk about productivity, sell planners. Maybe you teach social media management and so forth. Then you can sell social media templates and guides. Your content becomes marketing. Your product becomes the shortcut. This is how creators monetize before 1,000 subscribers. Now let me tell you the mistake that causes most people to fail with digital products so that you don't repeat the same mistakes. Most people try to be perfect. They overthink the design, the content, the price, everything. This can cause you maybe to create something with no demand, or you may never launch because you are taking too long. Digital products don't fail because they are hard. They fail because people don't test. You don't need the best product. You need a useful product. You improve after launch. That's how every successful digital product is built. In 2026, making money online isn't about working harder. It's about choosing models that removes friction, reduce risk, and increase leverage. Selling digital products does exactly that. It's not magic, it's not instant, but it is the simplest, lowest risk, and most scalable online model for beginners in 2026. If you want to stop restarting side hustles every year, this model is what you need to understand. Now, if you want to learn how to create your first digital product, step by step, even with zero experience, watch this video here. I talk about how I created my very first digital product that has so far earned me $13,900 US. Thank you for watching.